Hi, I'm Dave Zook. I'm the founder and partner here at Horizon Structures. We're going to talk today about the difference between a high-quality Horizon Structures chicken coop and a DIY or a cheaper model chicken coop that you can buy online. Some of the important features that people may miss by doing a DIY project. Polyurethane floor makes for a real easy cleanup. Ventilation that'll reduce the germs and keep your chicken flock healthy. Easy access locks that'll keep your chickens safe and secure at night. Glass windows that open and close, giving you more ventilation and keeping your coop well lit. And many other features that you'll find in a Horizon Structures chicken coop, many times coming as a standard feature to your Horizon Structures chicken coop. Whether you're just starting out and want one of our base models, or you decide to go a little more advanced and get one with all the bells and whistles, we have a chicken coop for you. Reach out to us at horizonstructures.com to talk to one of our friendly sales team. They will consult with you to make sure you get the chicken coop that's perfect for you.